Hello, this is our voice AI demo. Are you ready to get started?
Yes, I am.
Great. Let's start by getting some basic information. Could you please tell me your name, business name, phone number, and email address?
Yeah, my first name is John, and my last name is Doe.
Got it, John Doe. What's the name of your business?
Kansas City Fencing.
Perfect. And could you share your phone number and email address, please?
Yeah, my email address is john@doe.com.
Thanks, John. And what's the best phone number to reach you at?
It's 123-456-7890.
Great. So that's 123-456-7890. Let's move on to the demo. I'll show you how an AI assistant can help Kansas City Fencing with sales and customer service. What are some of the main services you offer?
We offer new construction fencing. We do some repairs as well, but new construction fencing in the Kansas City area is our specialty. And we also work with wood fences, vinyl fences, and metal fences predominantly.
Awesome. So new construction and repairs for wood, vinyl, and metal fences. What's the primary goal when customers call you? Is it to book appointments or maybe get estimates?
Typically, they're not customers yet. They're prospects, and they normally have a number of different questions about the fencing products that we offer, and they tell us a little bit about their situation. And what we hope is that they would book an on-site free estimate appointment.
Perfect. So the goal is to answer their questions and book an on-site free estimate. Let's dive into the demo now. I'll simulate being your business's AI assistant. Here we go. Hello, this is Rachel with Kansas City Fencing. How can I help you today? Feel free to ask any questions a customer might have.
Hi, Rachel. My name is John, and I have a metal fence in my backyard that I've had for about 10 years. It's all dilapidated and rusted. I'm looking for someone in the area that could remove that fence and install a new wood fence for me, potentially.
We can definitely help with that. We specialize in removing old fences and installing new ones, including wood fences. Would you like to schedule a free on-site estimate to discuss your project in detail?
I am interested in setting up an estimate, I think. I'm just curious, what all does that involve exactly, an estimate appointment?
Great question. During the estimate appointment, one of our experts will visit your property to assess the current fence and discuss your preferences for the new wood fence. They'll provide you with a detailed quote and answer any questions you might have. Does that sound good?
Yeah, that sounds good to me. When do you guys have availability?
Let's see. We have openings this week on Thursday and Friday. Would either of those days work for you?
Thursday morning would work for me if that works for you guys.
Perfect. Let's pencil you in for Thursday morning. I'll make sure our team is ready to meet with you then. Thank you for participating in the demo. I'll switch back to my previous role now so we can discuss the next steps. Did you find this demonstration helpful?
Yeah, I thought the demonstration was very impressive. I'm interested.
I'm thrilled to hear that. Would you like us to schedule a call with a sales team member to discuss getting this set up for your business?
Yeah, that would be excellent. Thank you.
I'm sending you the link to book a sales appointment now. Fantastic. I've arranged for a sales team member to reach out to you soon. Thank you so much for your time, John. I'm excited about the potential of working together with Kansas City Fencing. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
You as well. Thank you.